This is Roxanne. Thank you for joining me again. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And hi Beacon, I just wanted to show you how you do a playlist. So I'm on a song here on YouTube. And see, there's a save button all the way in the right. You have the like, thumb up, thumb down, share, download, and save. So you click on save. And I already made a folder here, Beacon's Hits, as you see. But even if we didn't have one, you just click new playlist, you title it, whatever. And then you can say if you want it to be public, unlisted, or private. So I'm going to save it, and I'm going to put it in your folder, Beacon's Hits. And that's essentially how we do it. And you just add songs, and then you go to your profile and you can go and pull that folder up. So Beacon, if you go to my username and the ones that are public, at least, you can pull the folders, my playlists, and see what's in them and watch them or listen to them. I hope that was helpful. You guys have a great day, and